Hi everyone, welcome to your heart reading. Okay, so this is going to be for the late nights or the vibe. It's dark here. So basically, it's night here, not the deep night, not the midnight, but the night. Okay, so we passed good evening, but everyone, I love you and sending you love all the way from India. Bharat, namaste. It's the bunny farm. It's cold. It's night. I wanted this. So let's start. I heard as if like someone is saying, oh baby, like possible for the first time. I don't know. I know. Of course I'll tell them. It's like someone is saying that, oh baby, I missed you. Oh baby, where were you? Oh baby, all those things that people want to hear. But I feel like this is going to be the cherishing moment. Okay, it's quite heavy. This is heavy. Actually, it's big. Okay. Anyways, some of you are going to have this kind of a conversation in the middle of the night. I don't know how, but some of you are going to have that. I don't know from where they are calling. They are calling. Okay. Nine of Cups energy, wish is going to be fulfilled. As if like you dropped something, some thought, some coin in the well, and it is coming out. Okay, there may be this emotional strong connection. That's what I heard right away. Okay, it's quite a mess. You people have a mess. It's all about timing. Okay, it's all about timing though. This may be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces energy, or just the emotional realm. This may be Star, Aquarius, but this is also certain kind of confirmation. Oh baby. And I also hear, no, not here. I saw as if like there is something like emoji kind of leaves, but having like a shake up, like as if like something goes or something happens, but it happens in a way that it feels or makes you a little bit of shiver. It's cold. It's cold outside. As if like leaf is going like she's dancing. The leaf again, regardless of the gender, but the leaf. Okay, so there's basically one leaf. Leaf is going. So that's kind of like a shiver, not the chill, but the shiver and feeling of like something will move. Here you go, you have Ace of Swords energy. Hearing from someone, someone may end up calling you. And this is about making this thing important. This is about priority as well. Now this reading may or may not resonate with every one of you at the same time. This one card came out prior. Emotional talk. Someone is also kind of like on a positive front influenced by you. Or let's just say they are enchanted by you. Or they want to talk. Someone who does want to do something because they want to do something. Like a talk or something. This basically talk happening. Okay, this is emotional, yes. Someone who feels what inside they're going to possibly tell you. Okay, this is when I see the moon. This is also Piscean, but when I see the moon, it is also like a lot of barking left, like not in the shout way, but rather like we need to talk. I heard as if like the scratches or the scratches, the scratch situation. It is about something that is not well or was not well, or something that they need to tell you. Something might have happened. That kind of energy. Okay. Emotional talk, possible in the middle of the night. Someone will end up calling you, and they have like this. What happened? It just happened. There was a lot of crowd. There was a lot of sounds around me. That was really loud. I couldn't hear your call. I couldn't do the call. You know what? Couldn't take the call. I couldn't do the call because I was messed up. emotional mess up situation possible. But I see this is coming. Someone who is going to get free and they are going to end up calling you. I did, this is going to be right away published today. Of course. Six of Cups energy. There's going to be resurgence. There's going to be a lot of emotional talks. I published today, the reading was, of course, the heart reading. What was that for? It's a reunion, okay? And that is going in so much alignment. Like, people are emotional and getting, like, really want to get close. I also see, like, in the middle of the night, there's going to be a lot of barks, actual barks of the dog or dogs happening outside while you are talking. While you're on phone, while you are talking, while you are doing the video calling or whatever you are doing, you're connecting basically with the person. Oh, baby. That's when this is going to happen. Is it? So, resurgence. This is Six of Cups. This is about how we can decorate our now. Like, I feel like this kind of energy where in the now you're going to decorate with emotional talks. Someone who is more emotionally getting inclined towards you because they are missing you, and this goes for you as well. It's all about vibe and energy concept. Look, Knight of Cups, someone is bringing something on the platter table. Both of you are bringing for one another. The one who is bringing for you. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, listening, dealing. However, there is emotional, not at all a conflict, rather emotional belief system. Not in technical terms, but belief system. Just for you and this person. That leaf, that one leaf, that you are being that you are being remembered, or you are remembering someone, or it's basically the leaf between you and the shiver of some missing aspect, and that movement that you people are going to feel is that love, or is that feeling, or is that connection. Something connected with the system. But this is also about something, Taurus, yes, the Hierophant energy, but this is about sincerity of the one who doesn't flirt with you. Please flirt with me. Don't call me ma'am. There was one clipping of the award, like show or something, where people show talent. Okay, I don't know. Maybe that's singing competition or something like that. And that. But ma'am, I respect you. Don't respect me. Anyways, they respect you. Okay? They respect you. And they are damn serious about you as well. And they might be in something where they have to follow some policy, rules. This may be about some contract. They've signed it possible. Kind of that energy where day-to-day regular activities are also going on. But in the meantime, or whatever they think about you, is like they want to shine like the sun. Okay, they pretend as it's like scorch you or something like that. But then here you go, when they are resting, they miss you. It's also in the mid of like taking breaks, texting each other kind of energy. That this person, look, Ace of Wands energy. I'm not taking that, but Ace of Wands energy is the concept of like someone's action. Someone who will do something that will be remembered. Someone who will do something that will be remembered. And I feel on a positive note. They are winding up something here. Gathering, collecting. They are possessive. If this is just about the person I'm telling you, they're possessive about you. They are possessive that when you talk to them, you talk to them. You know, give time. And this may be for you as well. I heard like all they look at you kind of energy, or all you look at them kind of energy. Okay, there is some kind of discomfort also here, you know, not to keep you confused, but this Four of Pentacles is something that when you people end up talking, there is comfort zone, which is like 80% kind of energy. For some of you, it's just 50%. It's not totally comfortable zone when you talk, but you people want to talk. It's also be in, like, is it convenient kind of energy as well? Or let's just say, is it comfortable kind of energy? Queen of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I heard like you're going to make a way with one another in the future. Judgment. Someone is going to call you back, maybe just today or in few hours. Okay. And I also see kind of like the month that you will follow up with when you're going to talk. It is going to be more emotionally, that someone will get concerned about you, may get possessive about you. Are you ready to get into the zone of like when they are going to get possessive? You know, this person is possessive. I'm telling you, if you're not the one, this person is. Even if it's like not proper dating or startup of, like when you're going to talk to this person, they'll tell you exactly. They'll show you that, okay? They miss you. And this is about what I feel is making way. And with the Judgment, this is going to be, the show begins. It's peekaboo in the future. The show begins and you have the flip of whatever was burdensome of, like it is about, let's just say, 2 to 3 things. First, whatever was burdensome won't be burdensome. I'm sorry, apologize. Won't be burdensome. Second, people are starting fresh, kind of where it is possible, okay? Third, it's going to be, you're going to take off like on a light mode. It's like the flight should take off, but it shouldn't be like so much that it should burden us kind of energy. So Six of Wands energy, I see kind of like a homecoming. Also being victorious in certain situation, getting back what you exactly want. Tables turning, and again, not in a bad way. You did kind of like law of attraction or something like that. Look, there may be King of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I want this my way, kind of, and in a better way, of course. So this may be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Taurus here, with the Piscean moon here. Fresh beginnings. You have 0 the Fool energy at the bottom. You have 10 of Pentacles energy, which is also upcoming event in your life, work related. You're going to get a pay. Some of you are leaving from some place in 6 hours or in 6 days. And for some cases, I heard tonight. Okay, but this is homecoming. Like you may be returning home, you may be traveling to your home city, hometown, or where you work, or from where you work. Also getting pays, like payments, so collecting payments or checks or something that you're getting. And when I said takeoff is also the flight, okay? But here you go, you are going to be, whatever the situation here is, even if it is about love matter, this is about the pickup energy of like we are taking off. It is about being victorious and homecoming, and I found the one, and I want to dedicate my this to this person. This is also committed relationship that I see in the future. This is about long-term things, okay? Nice reading. I see like someone who will come to you. No matter via phone, no matter via if there's distance, or some people are working here and there, okay? And if they are there, this is like a homecoming. Okay, this is pattern. Some of you may be going through the same pattern of work, doing something that is a pattern you have to follow, you have to read, you have to write, you have to do or dance or whatever that is. For some, this is going to break. The pattern will break. For some, this is about knowing the schedule of someone, or someone knows the schedule of you, okay? Some of you will be asked, like asked or asked. They will ask. Whoever this person is, they'll ask you something, okay? Whatever that is. they'll ask you, and they'll ask you for the clarity. Clouds. Some of you have this pattern of clouds, okay, but I feel like someone knows or trying to figure out something. Some of you are trying to figure out this clarity about the cup, okay? How the person behave, how you behave, how both of your connection behave, kind of energy, even connection behave, right? So this is about the cup that is coming in clarity. The two people love one another, you feel for one another, you like one another. Okay, take care guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye. Where I am.